Morning everyone. Day 2 renovation project for my test plot out in the curb area. I have 5 bags of the black cow compost. I'm just going to top dress with that. I'm going to work it in a little bit. I'm going to put the seed down, peat moss, standard things. I don't have installed irrigation, so I have a couple hoses. This is just one, so I can show you guys what I have. If you buy the cheaper gear drive Orbit, they actually work pretty well. Pretty even coverage. You can adjust the top for the spray pattern and distance, and the adjustable top, not so bad. But if you want to upgrade that, this is a 1/2 inch in here. You can get the 1/2 inch riser. I'm just going to use the 4-inch one. If you find a shorter one that's threaded all the way to the top, that would work as well. Just make sure it's threaded in there well without over tightening. I went with a Rainbird 32 SA. I also have a Rainbird 42 SA for a different area. That should give me enough coverage, a little bit of overlapping. Anyway, there's that. Don't have the rental equipment. I didn't want to go rent a power rake. Hindsight being 2020, if you have grass like me, being southern grass, it's centipede. It grows on stolons above ground. It grows super thick, not thatch, but it's super thick, and once you kill it off, it's a lot of work to get up. So I have this Trimmer Plus tiller head I built up to a Ryobi power head. Actually, I used to have a tiller head that went with it. It was from Troy Built, but that one started messing up on me. Adjusted from there. Focus in on this Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass. And I'm a little crazy, but I'm gonna put that in the main yard. Someone sent me some seed over here. I'm gonna put in the test plot area. Also Kentucky Bluegrass, just so I can. I'm gonna heat test it. See how that goes. I don't know what variety it is. Please don't ask. It was sent to me just to try. And then out here, you can see I'm gonna put the Midnight in here. Eventually, I may either overseed, which is a concern with that, is it being choked out by the centipede. So I'm probably gonna smoke that off. But I think out here I might just overseed just to see how it does for the winter. I'm gonna wait and see how these go, just so I can figure out which one I want to put, and then I'll make the whole yard that way if it works. I'm in South Louisiana. Anyway, there's a quick overview of the test plot. Use that Trimmer Plus tiller attachment to dig all those stolons loose, raked them up. It rained on me actually this morning, about 30 minutes into day 2. So I'm gonna have to get out here and see what I can do once it dries up a little bit, but maybe that'll help work the dirt up. I'm gonna till it up, level it out with a rake, and then I will top dress it with the black cow, work that in, and then I'll seed and top dress with peat moss and set up my irrigation.